Good morning, everyone. We are continuing here in the words of the Meishiv Nefesh, and he quotes a verse from Mishlei, from Proverbs, with an amazing explanation by the Vilna Gaon. And the pasuk says, "Ruach ish yechalkel machalehu." A man's spirit will sustain his sickness. V'ruach necha, however, a broken, lowly spirit, a sad, depressed type of a spirit, mi yisa'ena, how will that be able to bear the sickness? Says the Vilna Gaon the following. And this, remember, this is written over 200 years ago. Kisha ish tamid b'simcha. When a person is constantly in a state of joy, of happiness, hu yechalkel machalehu, the simcha will end up sustaining and even curing his sickness. Af sheyavo alav machla chas v'shalom, even if a machla, a terrible disease, God forbid, would come upon this person, hu yechalkel machalehu b'simchasa yifat lenu. The simcha that he has, the joy that he lives with in his life, the happy approach that he takes, he's an optimist. He sees the good, he doesn't let things get him down, he knows how to laugh and make a joke and keep up his spirits in the right place. It will be mevatel, it will nullify and cancel out and get rid of the machala, the sickness or disease that this person has. But someone that has this broken, lowly, destitute, depressed spirit, he's a depressed person, how is he going to be able to bear his disease or his sickness or his hardship in his life? Says the Vilna Gaon, you want to know what the best medicine is to one's not feeling well? Be happy. Be besimcha. Give yourself the koyach, the inner injection of strength and fortitude that's going to help carry you through this. And the truth of the matter is that even the medical doctors of today, who are very scientific in their approach to healing, who use only medicinal purposes for their understanding of how to heal a person from their sickness. A doctor is book smart. A doctor knows surgeries. He knows medication. He knows all the different tipulim, all the different things that they need to do to help heal a person. But even the most scientific of all of the doctors, replete with all of his biology and his understanding of the way in which the human body works to either fight disease or the way that disease can, God forbid, consume, even that doctor, they've begun to admit that one's spiritual state of being and one's emotional state of being has a tremendous effect on one's health. And therefore we are finding more and more in the medical field that people come with sicknesses, they have ailments, they have hair that's falling out, they have ulcers, they have breathing issues, they have all different things that are going on with them, their feet are aching, they have diseases that they're being compounded with, whatever it might be. It's the Ruach Ish, it's man's spirit, which is contributing to who they are. Either it's Chas v'Chalila bringing them down and putting them into a negative state of health, or it could raise a person, keep them healthy, and even if, God forbid, a person would end up getting a machla, getting some kind of a disease, their happy state of mind can carry them through and help them have the healing that they are looking for from the negative disease that is there. So we're wishing everybody a wonderful day. It should be a day of health. And the health should come through our happiness, through our simcha, when we recognize that no matter what, no matter where, no matter what is going on in our lives, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is always there. There's so much for a person to rejoice about on a daily basis, even when they're not well, God forbid. And may our simcha sachaim, the happiness that exists in our heart and our soul, may that carry us through the aches and the pains, the runny noses, and God forbid, even the worst sicknesses of life, helping to bring us the ultimate healing from Hashem. All the best.